So today we're going to go over exercise progression through the acute repair and remodel phase. Craig is going to be my patient. I'm going to be here describing the exercise to him as he performs them. So for the acute stage, what we're targeting here is plantar flexion of the ankle. So what we're going to do here is in the acute phase, we're going to start with an isometric plantar flexion exercise against the wall. So what he's going to do is he's going to hold his foot against the wall for about 5 seconds, and then he's going to relax. And we're going to do about 2 sets of 10 of that. The next exercise on the list is going to be a band exercise with plantar flexion. He's going to put the band around his foot, and he's going to plantar flex just like that. And what he's going to do about 3 sets of 10 of that at low weight, so low resistance but high amounts of reps, so 3 by 10 to work on the endurance and repairing of the muscle. And then the last exercise we're going to have Craig do is he's going to stand up and he's going to do a full body squat into a heel raise, just like that. And we're going to be doing about 2 sets of 15 to 3 sets of 10 of that exercise to initiate the remodel phase.